All right, weekly recap. Gonna go over my trade and thought process throughout this week. Nothing too major, pretty simple stuff. Let me go over with the day. And I'll try to make this as quick as I can so I don't drag it out. All right, what was the trade here? I'm referring to my journal right now. 18th. November 18th was this. All right, let me go replay mode. Start new. And I'm guessing it was before market open, like around this time. All right. What was my liquidity pool? I think it was this one. And my range for this 243, I'm pretty sure. Look, 243, upper portion of it. Let's see if this is correct. And then this was the liquidity pool over here by this level. So it could have been this 243 or this lower one here, which was literally just by EQ. Stay in the higher time frame sake so it doesn't get all choppy. But we had a manipulation. Holy crap. Okay, so that original EQ tap was clean as heck. So there we had that original EQ tap, ran up, manipulated these highs here. I'm pretty sure I remember messaging Kev. We both saw this here as manipulation, the run lower. And then we run, and you won't see it on this, but this massive wick was my break even. But it ran up a lot before it went down. So I got it at this sweep. We manipulated high, came down, manipulated the low. This is like a ping pong play here. It wasn't super high prob because we already had a manipulation, and that's something I could note. We already had a manipulation, so it's obviously there's sell side pressure already. So we had this. This was the trade here, and I took it for break even. Ran up about to my, I think, ran up like 3R, 2R. I don't even know where my stop was at. I think I had a 10 pointer. Yeah, something like this. But I got a couple R in and then break even and continue down. That was the trade for that. That was the only trade I took on the entire week, and I know the rest of the day just dumped. Yeah, until we hit another liquidity level here. Okay, my chart's on. No. Yeah, so that was trade there. Break even trade, y'all. I think I sent it in the chat. I think y'all already know I took that. Other than that, I'm just gonna look at the higher time frame, and I won't bore you with going into detail about all the other stuff. Played off this 243 here. I mean, the 79 on Tuesday. What did I see for Wednesday? Wednesday was that crazy EQ tap day, I'm pretty sure. We had like a level here and we tapped there. Let me just check and see. I'm pretty sure that was Wednesday. From my notes, that looks to be what this was. We drop it. It might have been the low tap. One of the two. There's something crazy about Wednesday. Yeah, but those are good. Wednesday ran up. And then we go up to, I think it was that right there, yeah. 79. Yeah, my trade frequency was so low lately, which is probably good for me. It's because I don't have like a crazy amount of time to look at for trades in the morning. I usually trade up until that 10 macro, that 950. Ooh, sick manipulation here. And then, yeah, this was our Thursday. And what was it looking at for today? Thursday was a crazy dump. Gonna run over kind of what I saw on Thursday. Obviously, Kev took this trade. There's manipulation in here. And then we swept this high with time. We had like this kind of resweepable situation going on here. We had another resweep here. So we had that we had this resweep situation going on. And then we started taking out all this low resistance here and started dumping like nobody's business. I don't even know if there's continuations presented in this dump. Probably not. We could have gotten something. Yeah, I don't know. It was pretty intense. So, not seeing any. Okay, it's a Friday. What today? What did I see today? Did I even take any trades? Okay, I marked out. This is the liquidity pool I had marked out in the morning, and I left. I watched the news come out. I don't think there's anything that really caught my interest today. I mean, we had this. This was the trade Kev took here. He didn't lose that much. He had probably pretty tight stop on this time. I saw this though. I mean, it could have been a trade. I didn't take it. If you had a larger stop on this trade, could have bagged some money on it. Not like too crazy. Yeah. But it was not. I saw this next candle print. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. There's no time on the bottom of it. And then level tap came down. Maybe this with time. So I was off the charts at this point, but this was a good trade here. 10-point stop. Might have played. Ooh, that's a little tight, yo. Probably 20. 20 point. That was a crazy. Good manipulation. So yeah, I had the right liquidity pool marked out. I just was off the charts past this point. And I saw this chop. I'm like, yeah, heck no, I'm not trading this. And then, yeah, we had a good run up from that. A little retest. Bada bang, bada boom. Pretty gorgeous Friday. I'm gonna take a picture of this for journaling purposes. Yeah, that's it really, guys. That's my Friday. And I still need to finish journaling today. I just got home and I'm trying to wrap my brain around stuff I need to do. But yeah, that's it. One trade, one break even on the week. Opportunities presented, but just haven't had a large window to take anything. So that's been really it. So yeah, y'all have a great weekend. Be praying for you, Hidden. I'm sorry about your loss. That's really sad, man. I hope you're okay. So just update us on what's going on, dude. So yeah, man, life can be really hard sometimes. It's just you gotta take it with the shots it gives you, you know. So y'all have a great weekend. God bless, and just enjoy it. Enjoy your family. Enjoy being in the Lord's presence. See you, boys.